What is the best protection for wood in a wooden deck, especially an exterior wooden deck? Let's discuss this in this video. Right, a wooden deck is one of significant application considering any other wooden application. According to EN 335 engineering standard, it categorized under risk class or use class 3.2 or in some cases use class 4. It means it is a very risky application, especially considering the degradation. So it is very important for us to select the proper, correct treatment procedure or treatment solution to ensure the long-lasting durability of a wooden deck. So before moving on to the solution, first we have to identify the situation. We have to identify the main causes of degradation. Especially, biological attacks are there. I'm not going to talk about these biological attacks. The fungus, bacteria, algae, or some insects. So I'm not going to discuss those factors, but mainly a deck will affect by the weather or atmospheric impacts. A deck is always exposed to extreme weather, heavy direct sunlight, heavy rains, water, all those things are the attacks. So moreover that, a deck is a horizontal surface. Water droplets can clog on the surface and it has sufficient time to penetrate into the wood. So on the other hand, a deck is in hard use commonly. Scratches are very common. With all these factors, it is identified that the main cause of degradation of wood in a wooden deck is water, which is penetrated into the wood. I explained earlier, water is penetrating slowly into the wood and the inside space will be wet always. So within the inside the wood, it will become very soft and lose the strength. So this is the main cause of degrading wood in a wooden deck. When we are selecting a solution, we should consider more on blocking water penetrating into the wood. So that is the main factor we need to consider. UV attacks are also there because it is exposed into direct sunlight. So UV resistance also should be in considering. So these are the factors we have to consider in selecting a solution to treat a deck. So let's assume that we are applying a surface coating over the deck. Maybe it's a very good waterproof qualities. It may has very good blocking qualities. Let's assume that we have applied such a surface coating. Decks are exposed to hard use always. Scratches are very common. So having a very small scratch lets water to penetrate into the wood. So a surface coating will not be a solution for this. Decking oils comes into play here. Decking oil is a coating which will penetrate into the wood, deep into the wood, and makes a barrier not only the surface but within the wood. It makes a thick barrier which blocking water entering into the wood. So even the surface get scratched, water cannot enter into the wood. So this is the only solution we can identify to protect a wood for long lasting. But when we are using a decking oil, one main concern is the maintenance interval is very less. It's about 6 months normally. Not only about GORI coatings, but for any other decking oil, it will last up to 6 months. We have to apply regularly. We have to observe the deck regularly and we have to apply the decking oil regularly. But the good news is applying a decking oil is very simple. You don't want to sand it, you don't want to remove the previous coatings. You just need to wash the surface or clean the surface, then you can apply the decking oil by a brush. So it is very simple and you don't want any skilled labor for this. You can use unskilled labor and very less labor, so the cost is very less. If it is in your home, you can do it by yourself. So it is very easy to apply. Even now, GORI offers you improved version of decking oils. Decking stays with us with a longer maintenance intervals. It goes up to 12 to 18 months. So the maintenance will be less with these decking stains now. In GORI range of decking oils, we offer you solvent-based decking oils as well as water-based decking oils also. For critical situations, for critical conditions, you can use solvent-based decking oils. For if you need quick dry, you can use water-based decking oils also. In decking stains also same, we have solvent-based and water-based also. Further, you can get any preferred color. There are some standard colors, but GORI decking oils and decking stains can be tinted into many shades. And it is resistant to skid also even in a wet condition. So with all these, simply you will get the best protection to your wooden deck, and the durability of your wooden deck will be ensured with GORI. So if you need any other assistance, if you need further consultation on wood protection, you can call us on the numbers showing in this screen now. So we are always here to, we are always ready to assist you in any wood protection requirement. So call us. As Scandinavian wood care experts, we are always ready to assist you in your any wood protection application. Thank you.